What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2020 Honda Pilot. This will also clear the maintenance light, the oil change due message. So you'll need to be in the Pilot with it either running or in the on position. Then we'll come over here and take a look at the center screen. First thing I'm going to do is press the home button. Once we get to the home menu, I'm going to scroll over until we see settings. Click on settings. From the settings menu, I'll click vehicle. Once we're on this menu, I'm going to scroll all the way down to maintenance information. And then from here, you can see the oil life percentage. You can see I've already reset this one back to 100%. But we can click on the engine oil, and yours will say oil and filter if it's not been reset. So click on engine oil, and again, yours will probably say oil and filter. Then once we're on this screen, we'll click reset, and then it just wants to confirm the reset. Click it again. And then if it was not already back to 100%, it would be reset then. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.